never say. Man down, man down.
Anyway.
Oh. How's the homecoming queen?
He's a little green.
How's Jimmy?
Better than you.
Good. Good.
Add these 2 cameras to the list, okay?
Here's half your retainers. I'll give you the other half at the end of the week. You stay away from Georgie. Hear me? All his actors end up strung out and turning tricks.
Okay,
Okay.
we will.
Yeah.
Marvelous. Oh my God, they did clean you out, Luann.
Otto wasn't kidding.
That's some lovely merchandise walking out that door.
But keep walking if I don't come up with the rest of their money.
Otto said some guy's giving you trouble.
Georgie Carusso. Shitbags threatening my girls they don't join his company.
His name is Georgie.
Can't you just talk to him? Make some kind of temporary arrangement?
Isn't how it works with this. Georgie's game is fear. Goddamn Roy crew runs his girls like pimps running pussy. If I could just get the money I loaned Sam Crow.
That's not gonna happen today. Look, I said to Otto I'd back this guy out for you, and that's what I'm gonna do. Where's this guy's office?
Never say.
Oh, I love that movie.
Oh, I laughed, I cried, I came.
No shit. Must have been good. Won an anal Oscar.
Oh, hey. Here we go.
You need something?
We're here to see Georgie.
You got an appointment?
No.
Then you don't see him.
Hey, auditions are out back.
Let me guess. Georgie Carusso.
They were just leaving, Mr. Caruso.
That's too bad, because this one here's got kind of a Brad Pitt thing going, only not quite as gay.
Yeah, I'm a friend of Luann Delaney.
Is that so? I'm real sorry about what happened.
You're terrorizing our actors. It stops now.
I'm helping those girls. Luann is out of business.
Luann's not out of business.
That's not what I heard.
Don't make me come back here. Georgie.
Hi, Georgie.
You got a problem?
Not now, man. Feel pretty good, thanks.
Told you I was sick.